Welcome to our guide on how to disable security alerts on WhatsApp when using it on your PC. Ensuring your messaging experience is streamlined and uninterrupted is key, so let's walk through the steps to turn off these notifications. To begin, open WhatsApp on your PC. This is where we'll access the settings to customize your security alerts. Next, locate the gear icon in the bottom left corner of the screen and click on it. This will open up the settings menu where we can make the necessary adjustments. Navigate to the Account tab within the settings. This is where you'll find various options related to your account settings, including security preferences. Scroll down until you see the Security section. Here, you'll be able to manage the security notifications that appear on your computer. To disable the security alerts, simply toggle off the switch located under Show Security Notifications on this computer. This action will ensure that you no longer receive these alerts while using WhatsApp on your PC. By following these steps, you can customize your WhatsApp experience and reduce distractions from security notifications on your computer. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tutorials on optimizing your messaging apps for a seamless experience. Thank you for watching.